Aloha, George Krischke here with Honolulu High Five. This is our second video on how to pay General Excise Tax and Transient Accommodation Tax online. And last time we talked about how to set up your business, how to get your General Excise Tax license, how to set up your online account, and how to pay your General Excise Tax. Today, in our second video, we're going to talk about how to pay the Transient Accommodation Tax. We go to the same website, which is hitax.hawaii.gov/_. We log in, username, password, submit, and the website has a security feature. It sends me a little security code via email. It shows up on my smartphone, and I type in the security code, log in, and I'm in. There's a few forms here: General Excise Tax, General Excise Tax. I'm looking for Transient Accommodation Tax, TA1. This is the one I need to file every month. So there's another form down here, it doesn't show up. That would be the annual reconciliation form. Today we're going to pay our regular Transit Accommodation Tax. I have to file it every month, so this is the form T1. It shows me filing period June 30th, return status is generated, return list. Click here. It shows due date July 20th, that's today, file now, click here. And there's a number of screens. We're going to slide through, click next. District, this is the Oahu district. All my rentals are in the Oahu district on the island of Oahu. So I check this box, go next. And here I have to put in the rental income. So this is Transit Accommodation Tax, which I need to submit I need to file all rental income received from rental terms shorter than 180 days. So these are not my long-term rentals. This is anything that's less than 180 days. And that includes my vacation rental income, income from vacation rental units and short-term vacation rentals. And I have a number of those. So the number I have to put in here, click next. And it auto-populates the amount, and it shows the tax rate, which is 9.25%, and it automatically calculates the tax that's due. I don't have to get my calculator. I click next. And is there any penalty? No, I'm paying on time, so no penalty, no interest. It auto-populates the same number. I click next. And it asks me, would you like to make a payment at this time? Yes, I would like to make a payment. It's due today, so I submit. It gives me two options. I can pay via credit card. I don't like to do that. They charge me a small fee. But if I pay via electronic check, there's no cost involved. So I click this box and I click submit. And the website automatically generates an electronic check, and it already puts in the date and the amount that I'm paying. It has my name on top. It shows where the check goes to. It would show here my banking information, routing number, account number. And I could change the bank account, but I'm using my default setting, which I inputted previously. So it automatically generates the check to be routed to my to deduct from my checking account at my local bank. Submit. And before it takes my payment, I have to declare that it is a correct return and that it requires me to retype in my password from the Hawaii Tax Online website. I click OK, and return submitted. It took my money, and it took less than four minutes. I didn't have to lick any stamps, no envelopes, no writing checks. It's done. It shows me the confirmation number. It shows me the filing period. It shows me how much I paid, and it shows me when I paid it today, and it's kind of late. And that's all. Printable view, I can click here, and it generates a form that I can file. It's a PDF file that I can, I don't need to file it with a tax office. I mean, I can store it in the cloud, and I have a permanent record of what I filed, when I filed it, and how much. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, aloha.